Welcome to Huawei Digital Power and Tuition Base. This is DCCP Professional Services Lab. This is more than just an enablement base, with practical enablement, precision, efficiency at its core. The lab helps each participant to enhance their skills and achieve an efficient transition from theory to practice. The lab is equipped with a complete portfolio of data center solutions, including prefabricated modular data center, UPS, lithium batteries, PowerPOD, cooling, management platform. We provide everything needed for hands-on training. Here, within simulated business scenarios, trainees gain direct, practical experience. They can operate equipment and follow real-world operational procedures. Power-on stability for Delivery Operations Center is a critical concern for our customers and partners. By systematically improving power-on success rates, we effectively ensure delivery quality and reliability. Here we have FM2000 equipment configured with 3 servers. Trainees can take trainings as Network Network Management, ECC800 Access Control, and others. The curriculum also covers daily operations, configuration, architecture, and the routing of weak and strong current links. The lab features a lithium battery safety deployment showroom with fire safety, ventilation systems, flammable gases, constant stages, all replicated at a 1:1 scale to mirror actual operational scenarios. We provide comprehensive technical training and daily operation training for multiple popular DC products. Through these programs, trainees will master the full process from theory to practice, enhancing their professional skills and emergency response capabilities. This is where full scenario simulation, practical operations, and integrated learning come together. Our mission is to build the capabilities of professional partners. Every detail is designed to support true hands-on enablement. DCCP Professional Services Lab, we look forward to your visit.